walking back to our boat, reflecting on the fact that our very first time taking it out, it ran aground. Alright, we are prepped for our very first time going out. It has taken a little bit extra. Obviously you can tell by how sweaty I am. Nick has been amazing this whole time, taking his time to teach us everything along the way.
The way this works, this is tensioning. There's an arm that goes down to the frame. You know what, let's do it together. Let's put all the tools away and then we'll do it together, because I'd rather spend a little extra time and get you both on the same page.
And walk us through our best approach for leaving our dock and everything that goes along with that.
Get rid of these bow lines first, let the two stern lines hold us, and then you let go of one, I'll let go of the other, and when we have them both off, you take off, I'll come forward and grab this line.
So we're very grateful for him and his wife Kim. So yeah, I think we're finally about to go underway, and we've been building to this for a long time. So here we go. It's alright, they're coming. Got some help coming.
I really hope our boat's okay.
Me too. This man saved our boat, and we are very grateful.
Would you do me a favor and go down and turn off the switch for the ignition, please?
Switch for the ignition, yes.
That way,
Right behind him was Cito, so.
I know, thank you.
Oh, did you have your dinghy in the water?
You made it.
Okay.
Jake, thank you so much, by the way.
God, if you had not been on the boat with us,
This would have been game over.
very different.
No worries.
You too, Steve. Thank you for being so quick to come help.
Yeah, sure.
If Cito hadn't come, you know, we needed someone. It could have been way worse. And
The wind, we got blown off, and all of a sudden we're free, and the anchor's holding us bow into the wind. By the time Cito got there, we were like, okay, let's go. Like,
We don't need you. We don't need you.
no, I mean, we definitely needed it because we had no engine. But
Right.
Can I pick up here? Got him one.
Yeah, I would so badly want
Would you like another one, Dick? No?
I never wanted a beer part in my life.
Alright. You think so?
I think so.
What makes you say that?
Really felt like it.
It
felt
just-
like it, and the fact-
There was
the
no
fact that
crunching.
There was no
Okay.
crunching, and we weren't, and it got itself out.
Yeah,
That's true, too.
We
It
slid
pulled
off.
right out. We
Yeah.
slid right. If we had
And there was
been
no
in,
scraping when we.
Yeah.
So I don't think you're gonna have any real issues with the keel. When the engine stopped, it's like,
If this, yeah.
we gotta roll the jib out now.
Yeah.
Don't care what it looks like, gotta roll the jib out.
Yeah.
Right.
Right now. They got us past this breakwater.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not want to be beam on that breakwater.
Right.
That was not gonna be good.
No.
That was gonna be insurance. Claim.
Well. So many good things from today. We got our boat turned around, which we wanted to do. So there's that.
It's possible that it's just too fouled up on our propeller right now, or our propeller's too fouled up and we got too much junk on the bottom and we just overheated the engine. It was spitting.
It was.
When
We
we
checked,
started.
obviously, right away. We started, water was coming out. But right after we got out of the marina, well before we were even in a spot where we would want to put our sails up, the engine was done. So we were really close to rocks and did our best to get our jib out extremely fast. I mean, nothing was ready. We weren't ready to do that, and so had to get that out, try to steer out of the way. Basically, we couldn't and floated into a spot where we dropped anchor as we ran ashore. which we think was on sand, which is good, but right near the rocks, and called sea tow and called all of our other friends in the marina to come as quickly as they could. But no holes in the boat.
Well, we don't know, but
Nothing major holes in the boat. No water's coming in. The bilge hasn't kicked in or anything.
nope.
I know we don't know yet. I was heading under to check on the boat to see if there's any damage from yesterday. How did it go in the boat?
The bottom's fine. Is the long and short version of it.
So we did end up hitting sand probably, right?
Probably.
Yeah.
There is one sizable chip that was taken out of the keel
Okay.
that I'm a little worried about, but it's not an
How big
immediate
would you
issue.
say? Like, can you show me with your hands?
Like that big, but it was like deep. Like
Okay.
it chipped this much in, so much so that like when I was under everything, it like was indented.
Okay.
Like in terms of how it was removed. But other than that, everything looked fine.
That's great.
Yes, it was
Okay.
great.
Hello. How are you?
First
Which
time.
obviously, like, you
Such
know,
an us move.
right? God. If only I had gotten injured while doing it, then it would have been.
That's true.
Then it would have made the most sense.
Would have been spot on, Catherine.
Could have broken the middle of my spine this time.
Oh my god.
Get all 3 spots.
Oh, don't even say
Okay,
it.
yeah,
You're gonna
no.
jinx the shit.
Anyway. Yep. Second time we take it out, it's gonna be way better.
See.
It's Cozy Earth Day. They're really hard to lift the corners and you can't really move around the bed because every single corner is enclosed.